Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on this look right here using the ColourPop All I See Is Magic palette, which is this beautiful palette right here. So if you want to find out how I created this eye look, then keep on watching. First shade that I'm going to go in with is this one right here, and this is called Top Notch. What I'm going to do is just blend that into my crease. So this is such a pigmented shade, like you really don't need a lot. Like so, these brushes are spectacular. Honestly, if you haven't had Spectrum brushes, definitely get some. They're amazing. Next I'm going to take this shade right here. I think it's called Tinseltown, and what I'm going to do is just blend that into my crease as well, just to add a bit more purple and just to deepen it up as well. This is such a beautiful shade. It's a really nice purple. It's quite a luxurious looking purple. Blend that all into your crease, like so. And then I'm just going to take the brush that I had Top Notch on, and I'm literally just going to blend out the edges. Next I'm going to take a wide flat brush with some MAC Fix Plus or Prep and Prime, and what I'm going to do is just dip it into this shimmery purple shade right here, and this is called Something Special. I'm just going to cover my entire lid with that shade. These brushes are so easy to work with. They just make everything so simple, like so. And then I'm just going to take the brush that I had Tinseltown on, and I'm just going to blend out into my crease, just to get rid of any harsh lines. And then I'm just going to take a smaller flat brush and spritz it with some Prep and Prime as well. And I'm just going to dip it into this shade right here, which is called 1111. And what I'm going to do with that, I'm just going to put it into my inner corner and bring it over the purple shade slightly. And it's just a really nice shimmery, it looks pink in the palette, but it doesn't really come on pink, but I think it's because the purple's quite intense. But it's just such a beautiful shade, and it just brings a little bit more lightness to the inner corner. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, and then I'll jump back on camera to show you the final look. So that's it guys, that is how I created this eye look right here. It's really simple. I'm absolutely loving this palette. It's such a beautiful palette. I think all the shades are super stunning, and they're really easy to work with. I would definitely recommend getting it if you can get your hands on this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, really quick and simple. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!